This is the DG room with the silencer outside, which makes a huge sound, and there are DG all the time in this Vardhman Green Court Affordable Housing Society. Now the people are protesting against running. They are shouting that these are thieves running DG for no apparent reason, just like my society in DLF New Town Heights PQR block. The entire Sector 90 PQR block is on manual DG, where they think it is their right to run DG at least 10 minutes after the power is back on, which is obviously not right. No one is protesting in my society for some reason, and they think it is okay to pay thousands of rupees every month extra for DG backup and plant some trees outside. Planting trees outside would hardly reduce any pollution generated by those DGs running for no apparent reason when power is back on. Manual switching of DG should never be allowed for whatever reason. If there's some issue with the power line, they need to fix that. They cannot run it on manual, which unfortunately they are doing since past 5 years I am here.
Thank you so much for watching. Please do share your thoughts. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.